Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful scalping strategy that you can use to scalp Crash 1000 and Boom 1000. So I just added another buy position here because we have met the trading criteria. Okay, we have met the trading criteria, and in this strategy we are going to be aiming 5 to 10 candles. Okay, if you trade the financial market, you trade Crash and Boom, you trade volatility index or other financial assets, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful concept that you can use to scalp this market accurately. Okay, and with this strategy you can grow a small account or a big account. Okay, now trading a small account is quite different from trading a big account. If you are trading an account that is below $100, ensure to use the minimum lot size. Okay, and don't open more than 2 or 3 positions. Okay, now if you are trading an account as small as $50, make sure you use the minimum lot size and don't open more than 1 or 2 trading positions. In this strategy, we are going to be aiming just 5 to 10 candles. Why? Because we want to be very accurate while trading the market. Now, in as much as you see some trading indicators here, I'm still going to be showing you one very powerful price action technique that you can use to be in the right side of the market. Okay, with this powerful price action technique, you can be able to catch the right side of the market. Okay, so what's the first thing you're going to do? Go to your indicators icon. Okay, so let me just delete everything here so we can do it together. Let me delete everything. So the first indicator you want to add is your moving, is your RSI. The first indicator you want to add is your relative strength index. So this is your parameters. Your period is 14, apply to close. The levels is 10. The levels is 10, 25, 50, 75 and 100. Okay, you can use any pixel of your choice. So just use the same parameters you see here. So now we have our RSI indicator here. Let me just adjust it a little bit. Okay, so we have our RSI indicator here. So the next indicator you want to add is your moving average. Okay, so this time around, click on the indicator window 2. Click on the indicator window 1. So look for your moving average. Okay, then use these parameters. Your period is 10, your shift is 0, your method is exponential. Apply to close. Then use any pixel of your choice and use any color of your choice. You can as well, I use black here, so you can as well use black. So click on done. Now we have our moving average indicator here, and as you can see, the market is still buying. Okay, the market is still moving in our favor. The market is still moving in our direction. So the last indicator you want to add is your moving average. So this time around, you have to add your moving average on the main window. Okay, so click on the main window and look for your moving average. So you change your period from 10 to 12. Okay, so change your method from exponential to simple. Okay, then apply to close. Then use any color of your choice and any pixel of your choice, but I want to use something darker. Let me just use this. Okay, so let me use this. So now we have the moving average here. Okay, we now have the moving average. So now, how do you use these indicators to trade this strategy? But before I show you how to use the indicator, I want to teach you one very powerful concept that you have to understand to be in the right side of the market. Okay, to be in the right direction of the market whenever you are trading. Okay, whether you are trading Crash 1000 or you are trading Boom 1000, you have to always use this simple method to be able to determine the trend of the market. Okay, so and what is that? You have to go to your higher time frame. Start from your daily time frame. Okay, and from your daily time frame, what can you see here? from our daily time frame, the market has been bullish because the market has been buying and buying and buying. So now from our higher time frame, the market has been bullish. The market has been buying and buying. Okay, the market has been buying. From the 4 hours time frame, the market pull back. Okay, the market pull back here, and apparently the market is going to continue buying. Okay, from the 1 hour time frame, the market is in a kind of consolidation, and the market came down to a low. Okay, so generally you have to look at all the time frames. You have to start from the higher time frame and go down to lower time frame, try and determine the trend of the market. So today's trading condition is a buy program. Today's trading condition is a buy program. So now, how do you now use these indicators to determine where to buy from and where to sell from? How do you use indicators? Okay, after looking at the high time frame market structure, you have to also look at your moving averages for your second confirmation. Okay, there has to be a spike. There has to be a very, very long spike that brings your RSI, this RSI level to level 0 or level 10. Okay, there has to be a spike that brings this moving average that is in your RSI chart, that brings it to the bottom. Okay, and as you can see here now, we've met that 5 candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we are in the 6th candle. Okay, so from here now you can now take profit, or you can wait till when we have 10 candles before we can take profit. So from the indicators, your RSI indicator has to come to level 10 and level 0. Okay, and from this moving average that's in your chart, price has to cross this moving average that's in your chart. But as you can see, we bought earlier, but price has to cross this moving average that is in your chart also. After price has gotten to level 10 and level 0, price also has to cross this moving average in your chart. Then you enter for a buy. Okay, enter for a buy, then you wait for 5 to 10 candles before you close in profit. Then you wait for another opportunity. You continue repeating this process over and over and over till you grow your account. Now, why trading this strategy, sometimes you tend to become greedy because you see very long, like look at what happened here. It was a very, very long buying opportunity. This market bought up to 20 candles. The market bought up to 20 candles. Okay, but I want to just tell you I want to just encourage you to just be picking only 5 to 10 candles. Okay, look also here, when price came down to level 10, the market bought. Okay, that's why the fact that there was a spike here, the market still bought. As soon as the market crossed this moving average, the market bought, giving you more than 10 candle. Okay, so guys, make sure you are not greedy when trading using this strategy. Once you get 10 candles, you exit the market, and once you take any trade and the market spikes against you, close that trade. Do not hold any trade that has gone to loss. Whenever you enter the trade trying to buy or sell the market and the market spikes, ensure you close that trade. Okay, and look for another good opportunity, because the market is not supposed to spike. If the market spikes against your buy position, it simply means that you bought in the wrong zone. Okay, and when trading this market, you have to understand that sometimes you cannot be 100% accurate. Sometimes there might be drawdowns. Okay, so always have a stop loss just below the last low. Okay, somewhere like here is where you can have your stop loss. Okay, so if at the process whereby I'm trying to scalp this market, looking for my 10 candles, which I've already gotten here, if at that same process the market spikes against me, I already have a stop loss that is protecting my capital. Okay, so this is how you grow a small account. You have to understand that from time to time there will be pullbacks, there will be drawdowns, there will be losses, but you have to consistently trade this strategy, or trade your strategy like a robot. Okay, whenever there is a drawdown, you wait for another opportunity and you execute whenever you see another good trading opportunity. So now we have 1 candle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we have 10 candles. Okay, so we have 10 candles, and we can now close this trade. Okay, we can close this trade from here because we already have 10 candles. We already have 10 candles. So this is just simply how you trade this strategy. You have to wait for price to come to level 0 or level 10, okay, in your RSI indicator. Then also here in your main chart, price has to cross this moving average. It has to cross this red moving average. As soon as price crosses this red moving average, you buy the market, okay? And once you get 5 candles, you take profit, or once you get 10 candles, you take profit.